Hi, I'm Isaac from ClearCalcs, and today I'm going to show you how to save time and improve engineering quality with our timber sleeper retaining wall template. We will model a 1.2 meter high retaining wall with sand backfill and a stiff clay footing soil. The retaining wall has steel posts and concrete board piers as footings. First, we enter the project on the ClearCalcs platform and click on Add a new sheet. We then click on the timber sleeper steel post retaining wall template to create the sheet. Now, we simply specify the height of the retaining wall at 1.2 meters, footing of clay soil, and a backfill of sand. If at any time we are unsure of a field, such as the backfill conditions, you may click on the field to see the standards descriptions and a brief description of what that field entails. Now, all the structural members have already been designed for the applied loads, so through trial and error, we can select the most appropriate members that pass our traffic light system of checks. For example, the amber check indicates that our timber whale is currently approaching failure through deflection. We can easily remedy this by reducing the spacings of the post as such. Now, if we are not comfortable with a 73% of lateral capacity, we can increase this by deepening the footing, like such. Once all the checks are green, you have successfully designed a retaining wall. I hope you found this helpful, and as always, don't hesitate to contact us with any questions or suggestions you may have. Enjoy engineering with ClearCalcs.